Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to check out the latest updates on the POCO Pad 5G and see what new features Xiaomi has been added. Is it worth updating? Let's find it out. Feature 1. What I observed after the upgrade. Me let us have a quick look about the version that I have upgraded the POCO. Now, yeah, as you can see, the version which is showing 3.0.303. So after this upgrade, the feature one that I have experienced is that the interface looks much cleaner now. You can notice smoother animation, refreshed icons, and better lock screen design. Overall, the tablet feels more premium. You can see if I want to close the application, to open, to go back, the visuals are somewhat better compared to the previous version. Moving to next feature, the performance has been increased. After update, the app switching feels very faster and multitasking. For example, if I want to use a chat GPT along with some other application, so this multitasking uh, is much more efficient compared to the previous upgrade. And split 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 screen performance have improved a lot. uh, and the battery after the upgrade, I can see the battery optimization is com- so much better now. Let me have a quick look on the battery. So there are two options after the upgrade. The battery, we can set it to balanced mode or the battery saver. So battery saver, if you keep the few of the applications which will slow, and the background application will run will limit. Overall, this update makes the POCO Pad 5G much better for daily use. If you have already updated, comment below and share your experience.